This sharp 2008 Ford Mustang Rousch 427R, serialized number 08-01746, stands out beautifully in silver clear coat metallic over a well-kept Rousch sport leather dark charcoal interior, showing just 24,776 miles and the unmistakable presence of a true factory-built Rousch performance car. Power comes from the legendary Rousch Charger R2300 Root-style supercharger, paired with a high-flow intake, upgraded fuel system, intercooler, and Roush-calibrated tuning to produce 435 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. This engine is mated to a crisp 5-speed manual transmission equipped with a Roush short-throw shifter, delivering tight, precise gear changes and a highly engaging driving experience. The car puts the power to the pavement through the robust 8.8-inch Ford rear end, factory-equipped with performance gearing designed to optimize acceleration and take full advantage of the supercharged output of the engine. The exterior features the full 427R striping kit, aggressive Roush front fascia, chin spoiler, hood scoop, side skirts, rear valance, and spoiler, giving this car a bold, commanding stance. It rides on authentic Roush 18-inch wheels with performance tires, complemented by the Roush suspension system for sharp, confident handling. Inside, the serialized dash badge, Roush white face gauges, and branded accents showcase its authenticity. Clean, documented, and exceptionally well-maintained, this 427R delivers limited production collectability, a professionally engineered supercharged drivetrain, and standout condition. This is an ideal choice for any enthusiast seeking a genuine Roush-built Mustang. Contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790 or email sales@lrasales.com for more information. And don't wait, this Roush is sure to move fast. That's sales@lrasales.com.